Understanding Glasnost, a journey through political transparency. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss: the term Glasnost. This is not your typical English phrase, as it actually originates from Russian, but it has been adopted into English due to its historical and political significance. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what Glasnost means and how to use it in a conversation. So, let's dive in. Glasnost is a Russian word that directly translates to openness or transparency in English. It became famous in the 1980s due to the policies of the then Soviet leader, Mikhail Gorbachev. Gorbachev introduced Glasnost as a part of a broader set of reforms aimed at opening up the Soviet Union and making its institutions more transparent and accountable. In this period, there was a push for freedom of information, a reduction in censorship, and greater openness in government affairs. Citizens were encouraged to discuss and criticize the government's policies, which was a significant shift from the previous norm. Glasnost had a profound impact on the Soviet Union and the world at large. It allowed for greater freedom of expression, and it played a crucial role in the eventual dissolution of the Soviet Union. The policy helped to expose the corruption and inefficiency within the Soviet government, leading to calls for change. In English, when we use the term Glasnost, we are usually referring to a policy or situation that is characterized by openness, transparency, and an encouragement of open discussion and criticism. Even though Glasnost is a Russian word, it can be used in English, especially when discussing politics or history. Here are a few examples to help you understand how to use it. The new mayor is promising Glasnost in City Hall, with more transparency and accountability in every department. After years of secrecy, the organization is finally adopting a policy of Glasnost, allowing its members to speak openly about its practices. In these examples, Glasnost is used to describe a new openness and transparency in an organization or government. Thank you so much for joining me today to learn about the term Glasnost. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of this unique word and shown you how it can be used in English conversations, especially when discussing politics or history. Remember, learning new terms and their origins can be a great way to expand your vocabulary and understanding of the world. Until next time, keep practicing your English and stay curious.